Alright guys, thanks for joining me on another episode of Off Axis Builds. Tonight I'm going to be doing a review on the electrical harness that I got for Night Owl. I went with Speedway Motors electrical kit. It's a 22 circuit electrical kit. It's pretty simple. Everything's labeled every 6 inches. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Remember guys to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that little bell for upcoming video notifications. Alright, let's take a look at it. Alright guys, so it comes in a nice little box. Full diagram on how you need to wire it for your starter, your alternator, starter switch. It's got full diagram on that. It even comes with your radio and heater lines. So this is the full kit. It comes with the fuse panel, comes with your turn signals and your hazard flashers. Let's see here, it has engine compartment for your alternator, your water temp, your oil pressure. Has your right turn signal, left turn signal. It's all labeled coming through. You have your instrument cluster wires, instrument turn signal cluster wires, radio, headlights, brakes, dimmer stuff. So it's got everything you need for a general install. I mean, it even comes with a relay for your fan. So I'll probably use that for something else, but you know. So it comes with everything you need. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. More instructions. So it's got your dimmer switch. Should open it up. It has your brights, push button for your high beam, low beam. Has your alternator wiring. Go ahead and open one of these up and take a look. So, it's not a good one to show you. It's just ground and all that. Let's see here. At the ground. They're all labeled every 6 inches. I just wanted to show you one that's for like a turn signal or... Yeah, these are all ground wires and starter wires. So it comes somewhat pre-loomed, you know, with the zip ties on it, and you just spread off to where you need to go. Obviously, your fuse panel. Let's zoom in here and see what we got as far as wiring goes. Alright, so here is a good example of how it's labeled. See, there says brake switch, left rear turn. Let's see here. Left dash. I have to see what that's for. Here's your, it's brown wire, so you might not be able to read it. Yeah, you're not going to be able to read it. Maybe you can there. Hazard. Coming on over to one of these other ones. Again, your left turn. So these are all labeled, like I said, every 6 inches. So all you gotta do is spread it out on the floor, which I'll do here in a minute. Alright, so that's what it comes with. Pretty self-explanatory. Just got to follow the directions one by one. Obviously, you know, you got to cut them down to the length that you need. They give you plenty of length. So this is going to work out perfectly for Night Owl. It comes with connections, your turn signal relays, the fan relays. And like I said, it comes with the brights dimmer switch. And then also your lights on off switch. Comes with battery cables. Okay, more battery cables. Comes with pigtails for your headlights. You just gotta put them together. It's probably one of these guys. Just gotta wire them in for your headlights. All right, so I'm pretty excited about this kit. Can't wait to get it into the car. So stay tuned. We'll get this thing wired up pretty quickly here. Just got to finish painting on it, and then we'll get some wires in there. Alright guys, so this is a quick overview of the instruction manual. You got your fuse panel, electrical compartments, full coloring of each wire and what the wire is. So you can see that. It even tells you what fuse it goes to off to the left there. See this right here? Flip it over, you got your full wiring harness, more color coding. Goes into your ignition switch, signals, radio heater, obviously more fuses, color coding. Tells you which wires go where on your key, your starter, your alternator, and which wire clusters you're going to be using for all that. Has your horn relay connector, main power feed from starter. Got your full dash. It tells you what wire does your lights, what wire goes to your volts, fuel, speedometer, tachometer, oil, and temp. Obviously, if you guys have been watching my channel, I'm not going to be using all of these. Mainly be using speedometer, tachometer. I might be using oil pressure. I am using temp and fuel, and then I have a volts meter someplace else. So I'll be using some of these wires to connect those together. You got your brake switches. So it's pretty detailed. All it is opening up the harness and feeding it through the car at this point. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on another episode here. It was just a quick review of the wiring harness that's going in Night Owl. Remember guys to like, comment, subscribe, and remember it's always built, not bought. See you on the next one guys.